Today, I'm testing 3 free AI video generators that can turn simple prompts, images, or ideas into actual videos. And no, I'm not talking about those free tools where you click, generate once, lose all your credits, and then the website starts looking at your wallet like it's lunchtime. These are tools you can actually try without needing a production budget, a Hollywood studio, or your cousin's Netflix password. Welcome back to AI Tool Tracker. I'm Vinny, and in this video, I'm counting down 3 free AI video generation websites that are seriously worth testing right now. The fun part is, each one has a different personality. One is simple and beginner-friendly. One feels like a serious creative studio. And one is the kind of tool where you use it once and suddenly start imagining yourself making movie trailers. Product ads, anime clips, faceless shorts, and dramatic cinematic scenes at 2 a.m. So let's begin with tool number 3, Qwen AI.
Now, Qwen is interesting because a lot of people know it as an AI chatbot, but many beginners still don't realize that Qwen also gives you access to creative AI features, including video generation. And that makes it a very useful tool if you don't want your AI workflow scattered across 10 different websites. To use it, open your browser and search for Qwen AI. Once you're inside, go to Qwen Studio. This is where things become more creative. You can start a new generation, choose the video option, and then enter the kind of scene you want to create. But here is the important part. Don't write a lazy prompt like, make a cool video. That is not a prompt. That is a wish with Wi-Fi. Instead, describe the scene clearly. For example, you could write something like, a futuristic robot barista making coffee inside a neon cyberpunk cafe, steam rising from the cup, cinematic camera movement, soft reflections, detailed lighting, and smooth motion. That kind of prompt gives the AI something to work with. You can also choose the aspect ratio depending on where you want to post the final video. If you're making YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos, go with vertical. If you're making a YouTube intro, cinematic clip, or background footage, use widescreen. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait for the result.
The thing I like about Qwen AI is that it feels clean and simple. It doesn't throw 50 confusing buttons at you the moment you open it. For beginners, that is a big win. You can use it for short cinematic clips, aesthetic background videos, AI story scenes, social media content, and experimental visuals. Is it perfect every time? No. Sometimes the motion may look slightly weird. Sometimes the character might walk like they just discovered knees 5 minutes ago. But for a free tool, the output can be surprisingly useful, especially if you are just starting with AI video generation. Qwen AI is the number 3 spot because it is simple, accessible, and great for quick creative experiments. Now let's move to tool number 2, Runway ML.
And this one is not just an AI video toy. Runway feels more like a proper creative platform. If Qwen is a friendly sketchbook, Runway is more like walking into a mini AI production studio.
You can generate videos, animate images, extend clips, experiment with camera movement, and create visuals that feel much more polished when the prompt is done correctly.
To get started, search for Runway ML and open the official website. After logging in, you'll reach the dashboard where you can start a new video generation. Depending on what options are available in your account, you can either generate from text, upload an image as a starting frame, or use a video input. For beginners, image to video is usually the easiest way to get better results.
Why? Because when you give the AI a starting image, it already understands the main subject, composition, colors, and style. So instead of asking the AI to imagine everything from scratch, you're basically saying, here is the scene, now bring it to life.
For example, you could upload an image of a futuristic sports car on a rainy street and prompt it like this: slow cinematic push-in toward the car, rain falling, reflections on the road, headlights glowing, dramatic atmosphere, and realistic camera movement. This gives the AI a clear direction. Inside Runway, you can also control things like duration, aspect ratio, and model selection, depending on what's available. And this is where Runway starts to feel more serious. It is especially useful if you are making YouTube intros, product visuals, music video concepts, cinematic B-roll, storytelling scenes, or high-quality social media clips.
Now, because Runway is a more advanced platform, it may take a few tries to get exactly what you want. The first result might be good. The second result might be weird. The third result might suddenly look like a Netflix trailer. That is just the AI video life. The trick is to keep your prompts visual and specific. Talk about camera movement. Talk about lighting. Talk about atmosphere. Talk about what should move and what should stay stable.
For example, instead of saying, "make this image move," say, "slow camera zoom, soft wind moving the hair, background lights flickering gently, realistic motion, and cinematic depth of field." That difference matters. Runway takes the number 2 spot because it gives you more creative control and more professional-looking results, especially if you spend time learning how to prompt properly.
But now, let's talk about number 1. And this one is probably the most beginner-friendly option on this list.
The number 1 free AI video generator in this video is Vidful AI. Vidful AI is the kind of tool that feels built for people who do not want to learn a complicated interface before making their first AI video. You open the website, start generating, upload your image or enter your idea, choose your settings, and create the video. To use it, search for Vidful AI and open the website. After signing in, choose the video generation option. You can upload an image if you already have a character, product shot, thumbnail concept, or scene you want to animate. Then enter your prompt. Here is where Vidful AI becomes useful for creators. You can create quick video clips for faceless channels, AI story videos, product teasers, motivational shorts, fantasy scenes, anime-style clips, cinematic transitions, and even background visuals for narration videos. For example, if you have an image of an astronaut standing on a desert planet, you could prompt, "The astronaut slowly turns toward the horizon, dust blowing across the ground, orange sunset lighting, cinematic camera movement, and realistic atmosphere." Then choose your duration and resolution. Generate the video, preview it, and download the result. Simple.
The reason I'm putting Vidful AI at number 1 is not because it replaces professional video software. It doesn't. But it does something very important. It removes the fear of starting. And that matters because AI video generation can feel overwhelming when you are new. Some tools have too many settings. Some tools need advanced prompting. Some tools give you one generation and then immediately ask you to upgrade. Vidful AI feels much easier to test quickly, which makes it perfect for beginners, content creators, and anyone who just wants to turn an image into a moving clip without overthinking the process. Now, here is my honest advice. Don't use these tools randomly. Use them with a purpose. If you want quick creative experiments, start with Qwen AI. If you want more cinematic and polished results, test Runway ML. If you want a simple beginner-friendly image-to-video workflow, try Vidful AI. And remember, AI video generation is not just about the tool. It is about the input you give it. A weak prompt gives you weak results. A clear prompt gives you something much closer to what you imagined. So always describe the subject, movement, camera style, lighting, mood, and background. So those are my top 3 free AI video generating tools you can try right now. Qwen AI for simple experiments, Runway ML for more serious creative control, and Vidful AI for quick, beginner-friendly video generation. Just remember, free plans and features can change over time, so always check what each platform currently offers before depending on it for a big project. But for testing, learning, and creating short AI clips, these 3 websites are absolutely worth trying. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to AI Tool Tracker. Bye.